A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a tool that helps protect your privacy and security when you're using the internet. When you go online without a VPN, your internet traffic travels through your internet service providers' servers, and they can see everything you're doing, what websites you visit, what you download, even your physical location. That data can be logged, tracked, or even sold. Worse, if you're connected to public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop or airport. Hackers could intercept your connection and steal sensitive information like your passwords or banking details. A VPN solves this problem by creating a private, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of sending your data directly through your internet provider, a VPN reroutes your connection through one of its own secure servers. This means that to the outside world, your activity appears to be coming from the VPN server, not your own device. Your real IP address is hidden, and your data is encrypted, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. This encryption is one of the key benefits. Imagine you resending a postcard in the mail. Anyone who handles it can read what's S written on it. But if you seal it in an envelope and write it in a secret code, no one can see the message except the person you're sending it to. That's what a VPN does. It seals and scrambles your internet traffic, so it's secure from point A to point B. There are many reasons why someone might use a VPN. Some people use it to protect their privacy and avoid being tracked by advertisers or websites. Others want to keep their internet activity hidden from their service providers or local authorities. VPNs are also commonly used by remote workers to securely connect to their company's internal systems. Travelers often use VPNs to access websites or services that are restricted or blocked in other countries. For example, if a streaming service is only available in your home country, a VPN can help you access it while you re-abroad by making it look like you're still at home. In countries with strict internet censorship, VPNs can allow people to access information freely by bypassing government blocks or surveillance. This makes VPNs an important tool for journalists, researchers, and activists who need to communicate securely or access blocked content. Even for the average internet user, a VPN is helpful when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often unsecured and easy targets for cybercriminals. It's important to understand, though, that a VPN doesn't make you completely invisible or invincible online. If you log into your social media accounts or enter personal information on a website, that data can still be collected by those services. A VPN also doesn't protect you from phishing attacks or malware, so it's still important to use strong passwords, be cautious with links, and keep your devices secure. When choosing a VPN, it's essential to find a reliable provider. Some free VPNs may sound appealing, but they often come with risks. They may log your data, show you ads, or even sell your browsing history to third parties. A trustworthy VPN will have a no-logs policy, meaning they don't keep records of your activity. It should also offer strong encryption, fast servers, and have a reputation for protecting user privacy. While VPNs are legal in most countries, there are a few places where their use is restricted or monitored. It's always a good idea to understand the laws in your country before using one. But in general, VPNs are widely accepted and commonly used all over the world. In short, a VPN is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to take control of their privacy, protect their personal data, and browse the internet more securely. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, or just browsing from home, a VPN adds an important layer of protection in today's digital world. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Cheers.